My name is Abby Abrams, and the lesson I will be talking about today is for a third grade literacy class. The speaking and language standard I'm going to be using is to report on a topic or text, tell a story, or recount an experience with appropriate facts and relevant descriptive details, speaking clearly and understandable pace. And I will use a literacy standard for writing for write opinion pieces on topics or texts supporting a point of view with reasons. My objectives for this lesson are that students will use a graphic organizer that includes all the parts of an essay, and they will use this graphic organizer to create an opinion essay that includes everything in the organizer along with elaborations that make the essay flow. My second objective is that they will present the information orally through a recording and use a good speaking voice with lots of expression. To start my lesson, the teacher will model the process of filling out the graphic organizer. Now, in the way I'm doing this, the teacher will have written an essay ahead of time or found one online. The essay I have is why snow days should not be made up in the summer. Now, in this essay, it was created by using the graphic organizer. So all the information in the essay can be plugged into the graphic organizer. And that's exactly what we're going to do, because I don't want students to think of a graphic organizer as just being the essay without boxes. So we're looking at an essay and putting the essay information into the graphic organizer. So the teacher will put this up on the document camera and have students read the paragraphs aloud. Then, as a class, they will go back in and fill out the graphic organizer in a sequential order. The teacher can have students supply information to fill in the organizer and explain as he or she goes. Now, the student should have some background knowledge in persuasive writing, opinion writings, and they should know what a thesis and main reasons are. So this is kind of an end of a unit type project where they're putting together everything they know. So after they have filled in the graphic organizer using the teacher's essay, they will go over the rubric for this project, and with that, it needs to be emphasized that when they are recording their voices, they need to be expressive and have a clear voice and include all the details and elaborations that they write. The students will then choose a topic of controversial but school-appropriate things, and that may include ideas like year-round school, celebrating holidays in school like Christmas, wearing hats at school, and students can also choose their own topic if they get it approved by the teacher. Once they do that, they can start filling in their graphic organizer, and once that is filled in, they can start writing their essay. Once their essay is written, they need to get this checked by the teacher, and what the teacher is checking for is that they have everything that was in the graphic organizer, and they also need linking words and things to make the essay flow and extra elaborations. That's probably going to be the biggest thing the teacher needs to tell the student to go back and fix. Once the student has their essay cleared, they can start recording. We're going to be using the Our Story app, which the teacher can give a quick demonstration for because it's very simple. So the teacher at some point when students are starting to finish up, if they haven't used this app before, can explain it, and I think it's one of the easiest I've used for recording a voice. So students will record that, and they can add a picture of themselves talking because that's very easy. And if they have time, and I think we'll save this just for students who have extra time, they could add a picture or images that support their idea, but that's not essential to the standards that we're working with. One thing great about this is that you don't need a class of iPads, just a couple will work because the students don't all need to be doing this at the same time. Another thing I forgot to mention is that for certain topics, the students might want to do research on the topic, like finding statistics to support student retention over the summer for year-round school, and so computers should be available to them. Once they have recorded their voice, the teacher will review it with a rubric that the students have already seen and fill it out. And this is the rubric. And the reason I set it up like this is because I want them to look for that they have everything in here, but then mostly I want comments and feedback, but there is a guideline to this. So this is the lesson, and I think it could be adapted in a lot of ways, and this is probably one of my favorite apps that I've found so far. Thank you.